What is it? What is it?
They're doing something gross there. Let's go around. Like not all the way around. They're not on the side. No, I heard like a croak.
A croak would be fine. Sound like a croak.
No, it was just like a different animal. Like I heard this and a croak.
Go down there. You can do it. You're
Duck.
a big girl. It's not a duck.
Probably like a dying cat, Mom.
Do it. Please.
It jumps out of me.
Well, apparently they're not coming out of the water, Kay. What is it? What is it? Okay.
There are frogs.
A lot of them? Give me my shoes back.